I only got damn one strap. I took Teresa's truck. New Shinkos for the road. Two Brothers exhaust. It's got a recluse clutch in it, dog. Oh. Got her in gear. Ruckus dudes. I had to take a break, run out. Look at that WR I just picked up. Electric start, recluse clutch. What, the choke ain't out? Where the choke at? Pull the choke now. Steering stabilizer, Two Bros exhaust, recluse clutch. Lots of stuff done to that thing. I got a set of street, damn, I forgot to get them out of the truck. I got some street tires for it in the back of the truck. All right, dog, moment of truth. They don't believe you get first dibs. You've been pretty quiet here today.
On what?
I don't know. The YZ over there, the WR and the CRF. Been a little quiet.
Hey, I sent my offers. What's up?
Yeah, I sent my offer. You know what my offer is. My offer's still good. Well, my money ain't good. Oh, so he wants to go. He don't want to get the street. I thought you wanted to ride this all street legal like this spring. I thought that you were gonna keep this for a while or something. Oh, no. He's like, no, the 450 over there maybe. All right, guys, let's tell him this lowball ass offer. Why don't you tell him what you offered me for both of them? 13,450 and the WR. You said 51? No, it's 5. 2 days?
52.50.
Oh, just cash? Yeah. And I told him, and he told me I was breaking his balls. He's like, you're breaking my balls. 52.50.
Sell 2 bikes in one day?
I told him,
sounds like a good day.
I told him 5,100 in 2 days of work. And he ain't even down with that. He ain't even trying to make another 2,000 after he leaves here. An extra 2 G's, easy. Look at the Yoshi pipes on there, dude. Those are, you're not going to find fresher Yoshis. Those are custom. Those are custom.
Yeah.
You can't say they're not custom. I know that for a fact. Damn, a 13,450R ready to ride. And this WR450R street legal, electric and kickstart, and a pipe and a recluse clutch on it. And it comes with street tires, bro.
The muffler's scratched, dude.
The muffler's scratched a little bit. You're like, tail light's broken.
Yeah.
Hit it with the stick. Yeah, I think he's still thinking about it, guys. He hadn't got to ride it yet. I know that's what it is. Yeah, Casey's like, wait a minute. This thing's all freaking clapped. Yeah, he just needs to ride it in a little while, I think. Yeah. See, I don't want to go have you power wash it and have you work an hour labor working on this thing and then buy it.
Well, you know.
You know, Ryan's like, if we could just...
I need to tune it.
Yeah, I need to use your pressure washer. I need to work on the clutch for about 45 minutes and the carb for 2 hours and then make my decision.
Then I'll buy it,
Yeah, job security.
Yeah.
It's better if I work on it first, then buy it. And I get paid twice.
It just seems smarter, you know.
I get paid 3 times when I sell it. Hell yeah, dudes. We're going to rip that thing later on for sure. Later today. Orion don't get to use the electric start, though, until that battery is expensive. He's got to kick it. Yeah. Let's see if it even...
Oh, see, this is broken too, dude.
Let's see. I know. I did notice that was flopped just a minute ago. Maybe the electric start will juice her right now. Oh, man. Oh, there's $1,000 right there. You need glasses, dude. I have glasses and I can see that says all this stuff.
Oh, okay.
You need to get your eyes checked, bro. All y'all on YouTube's headlight works. Tail light. No choke. Steer. What is this? Some nips you can It's like a pair of boots. newbies you can dial in. That's choke off, brother. Now you can't be putting your ear on the engine and shit.
Already hot as fuck.
Well, it's supposed to be riding. Yeah, it's warmed up. It's warmed up. Has it got a brake light for the big money? No brake light? If you're gonna use your brakes, you do like this. Yeah, this is I'm turning. This is, hey, I'm stopping. Dude, sounds pretty good, right? So fuel injected over there. What's easier to start? That was a little bit easier. Then you have to get on it. Really? It sounds alright. We should race it in the CRF later. Let's see. And then if I win 6,500 for the Yamaha guys. This is really neat. That way, if you're at the grocery store getting, look, these ain't for getting groceries on, so don't even start with me. Who the hell takes their bike out and then parks it somewhere and doesn't ride it?
Yeah. That's
Like you really worry. What if I'm at the?
Ride it through the store.
Yeah, I'm over at the place getting my KY, and I can't even leave this outside. Somebody might freaking jump on it and take it.
That's what the KY's for.
Yeah, you ride
lube it all
it, slip off of it, just pour it all in front of the front tire. You should wipe out. Shit, dude, that would be dirty as hell. Just shin themselves. Oh my god. Dang, that's pretty low hours, dudes. 81.
Yeah, so hit me up. I'll have it for sale.
Yeah, hit Orion up. He's gonna be selling it here pretty soon, I think once he rides it, he's gonna be like, Linda, we need to go ride this weekend. I got my bike, you got your bike.
I'll lap you a couple times.
Yeah. Watch your face on the exhaust. You don't have to worry about rocks so much. Dude, I'll have them sometimes like a banner over there. It'll just be pat, 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 getting hit from the compression like somebody with an air cannon. Yeah, we gotta ride that and get a video since we don't have to work on it. We'll race it in the ruckus. I just tuned it up. I just tuned that bitch up. Yeah. You'll stay in first gear. Damn it. 250. Holy shit.
Oh, sexy.
Nice. Got to mash it on there. Let her hoss up a little bit. We'll try test ride. All right. He's like, now, I'm going to show y'all how to test ride something. Look, first thing, turn off the choke. The choke's on, right? Yeah. Yeah, I noticed he went for the idle screw. I was like, oh, it might be a little off right now. Shit. It's like it took 2 cranks to start, like the top end shit. Yeah, that recluse clutch feels a little weird. You'll have to get used to it. It wants to go a little bit when you put it in gear. Yeah. He's like, I thought it was the top end or the rodness. So it's supposed to idle in gear.
Yeah.
But I know it's got to be on the basket. He's like, well, we got to drain the battery first of all. First key to getting the price down, drain his battery. Street lethal, dudes. God, that chain is slapping the shit out of the swing arm, or the roller. Nice. Dump the clutch on it. Got her. It's good. You could bump start it, electric start it, or kick start it. Oh, I know, dude. It revs up a lot higher than that CRF, huh?
Yeah.
Like the CRF's power's down low. I think that's a carbureted versus fuel injection.
I like how this one handles that.
Yeah. Imagine it on the blacktop with them street tires, dude.
Yeah, for real.
It'd be a Willy monster.
Yeah, it's like clutch all the way in.
Yeah. It's got to be the adjustment on the basket. Because it's supposed to idle in gear with that recluse clutch. Try turning the idle down now a little bit. We'll see if it'll do it. Just kick it on you. Try putting it in first gear without the clutch. Fuck. Yeah, it's supposed to. I mean, we could peek at it too before you made the decision. See if you want to get that right.
Okay.
You can fix it for me and then say you don't want it. Does the steering stabilizer feel like it's... You think that has anything to do with the handling you like? Or you think the back shock's just softer and you like it like that?
Probably the shock.
The shock? The front end's pretty stiff, right?
A lot of things.
Yeah, a lot of things. It's a Yamaha. It's not even the blue.
Yeah.
It's just... It's a better bike. Yeah, that's for the streets, man. It's got a recluse clutch in it, guys, but it's not... Yeah, it's not operating properly, and it's new, so I don't think it was installed properly. We haven't checked because of override on it. Still works fine, but it's not wanting to idle in gear. We would have to slip it more. Yeah. You notice how when you're pulling it, sometimes it wants to lurch for the same reason. That needs to be slipped more in the like that basket jam nut needs to be loosened.
Yeah, because even with the clutch all the way in, it was still
And then, dude, in gear, you could just freaking pap. If it dies in gear, you don't even have to pull the clutch, just start it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, I seen you just kicked it back into gear and it fired back up.
Yeah.
Yes. And you know the 450's tits, bro. New plastic, new Yoshi, exhaust stickers.
Yeah.
And
Really, yeah.
Amazons.
Yeah, definitely more room.
Yeah, I know.
Barely even open it up.
People have asked me to come ride their 450 over here, and I'm like, dude, I don't have enough room. You just be hitting the brakes the whole time.
Yeah.
The whole time. Dude, I don't even know how fast it'll go, because even in third gear, it was like, it still had a lot to go. You're spinning the tire.
Yeah.
Like, it would have been going fucking 50 or 45 or something. I bet you it'll do 70, because it's the WR.
Yeah, that steering stabilizer would help then.
Yeah, on the road. Especially with that tire.
Yeah.
You could lower the front too, man, to where it matches the back shock. Put that street tire on here, lower this like an inch and a half.
On the road.
Dude, it'll just be wheeling, no tire spin. Like every time we're doing it right here, spinning the tire, that would have looped it on the road.
Yeah.
He's still thinking. He's about to smash my nuts again. Look, it's got more hours than you said. You said 81, now it's got 81 and a half on it.
Hold on.
Ryan heard the chain slap and he's like, better send it 6 more times. Or is it this kickstand?
Dude, I think the chain. This shit's off right there.
Yeah, we need it. Just a zip tie. I'm out of zip ties. RVTs. Two bros, dudes. He said it has a new battery and air filter, but I ain't looked. So you know how that is.
A little crusty.
You hear that? Squeak, squeak. No, look, squeak.
Definitely doesn't run as hot as the quad.
No, not at all. Yeah, the quad's so low geared, man. And high rev, like.
Oh yeah, you're just up there. Yeah, this thing was like
the whole time. You could honestly take off in third gear, bro, and it would just spin the tire and be like, BOP!
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Here, I'm gonna ride it to the shop. You gotta walk. Since you didn't buy it yet.
Yeah.
It's my back gear.
No, it's mine.
You gotta walk to the shop. Get back over there. I'm returning this.
I don't like it, man. Yeah.
Ryan's like, let me just pull the bottom end out.
Yeah, I
and
gotta
see.
check it out.
Hopefully we get lucky. Oh, I guess it's only one bolt. It's move that sumbitch, but it looks like it'll clear it, huh? Yeah, if you hold it down, it'll clear it. What we're looking at, we're gonna see what's what in here. You gonna just pull it off, dog? It seems like that thing's trouble. Nah, fuck it. Nah. I definitely don't want to, but I guess I will. Boosh. That way they got the inner clutch. We should keep all our oil. She should hold her oil. So now we're back to thinking it's either a cable adjustment or the idle. Because there wasn't anything obvious in there. Ryan lost a bolt somehow. Nah, he's like, it's over. That's the one I threw. That's the one I threw. You lost it. He's like, you lost a bolt, Chance. You're right. Yeah. You got plenty of bolts laying around here, you motherfucker. I just took like 20 bolts out of this other bike. Man, look at that, dude. Spilt no oil and got a peek at the clutch. And if it was like needing to swap the plates, we could have just done it. Then you could just leave your old dirty, crusty oil in there with all the rest of the old clutch. Don't even sweat it, dudes. Oh yeah, turn your fuel off on your carbureted bikes before you do this.
Yeah.
Kind of thinking it might need to get some of the put some friction be gone in there and just ride it. You gotta ride it. I need somebody to go hood ride it on some wheelies. That makes sense though too, because lots of clutches when they're new, even a normal clutch will do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Chatter. I'm fucking trying. So is that where you rev it and check the? Because there's like a rev test too.
Yeah.
You should be able to hold the clutch in, let go, rev it up, and then if you let go and the idles drop, you shouldn't be any tension on the clutch lever.
I guess they're making it seem like you put it in a little bit.
You what?
You hold the clutch lever in a little bit.
Yeah, you hold it in a little bit. Yeah, that's what he was doing yesterday. Freaking 250, boy. All right, guys, 2008 Yamaha WR450. Street legal. Electric and kickstart. It has a recluse clutch in it. I guess we're breaking it in, and then we're going to see what's what. New battery and air filter. She's ready to ride. Fun little bike for sure. Fast. Got a lot of power. Videos coming every Tuesday and Thursday, all of January, guys. Be sure and get up in there, like and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. And come on back now. We got a bunch more videos coming. Appreciate you, dudes. Whew. Dang, Orion come to his senses, said he wanted him.